Hey, what's up? Sam here. So this is the Xiaomi Smart Band 10 Pro. You know what? I've been wearing my Xiaomi Band 8 every single day. You can even see the weight and fitting on it. The coating is peeling off. It's my daily driver, super light and reliable, and I had no major issues with it. But this new Xiaomi Smart Band 10 Pro comes with a premium slim body, even a ceramic variant, built-in independent GPS, and a brand new Sleep HRV health monitoring system. Since I went full-time as a YouTuber, sleep quality has always been a big struggle for me. So the big question today is, will this be my endgame upgrade? Should I switch from the previous 8 to the 10 Pro? Let's get started. So here are the highlights of the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. 1.74-inch AMOLED display with ultra-narrow 4-side bezels. 9.7mm slim design with aluminum alloy middle frame. 150 plus sports modes plus 3D muscle relaxation massage guidance. I will try that. Ready? Woo! Okay. Ultra long battery life and multifunction NFC and built-in voice assistant. But again, this is the Chinese version, not the global version, and I'm not sure any of those functions listed here will be available in the global version. But first, let me just unbox for you Xiaomi HyperOS. Alright, a very simple menu. To this side, the charging cable, magnetic definitely, and a strap, quick release design as usual, and the main unit. That's it. That's the Xiaomi Band 10 Pro. Let me just give you a quick design walkthrough. It's pretty much the same as before, right? So we have the mic here, and this is the quick release button. You just press it and take the band out. And here is the heart rate sensor, charging contacts, magnetic, download Mi Fitness. But if you're using Xiaomi phone, then you will have a pop-up. Click OK. Also pair. The connection is like seamless. About the app, I really don't want to walk you through because it's incredibly boring. Homepage, it gives you an overview of your exercise, sleep, your heart rate, blood pressure, everything, the workout and device. Here you can set whatever you want, choose whichever app you want to show to vibrate. It's just everything is just there. Alright, and that's the unboxing and design walkthrough. Now honestly, this looks way more premium. The Band 10 Pro is ultra slim at 9.7mm and only 21.6 grams. Extreme lightweight for all the way and sleeping. It's upgraded to an aviation grade aluminum frame, and there is a new white ceramic special edition. It has a total flagship level look compared to the previous generation. So it features a 1.74-inch curved AMOLED display with 2000 nits peak brightness. You can read the screen really clearly on the bright sunlight when bathed outdoors with a super smooth 60 Hz refresh rate. And speaking of that, let me give you a quick gesture control walkthrough. You press and hold the homepage. You can choose different watch faces like this one, or even add more watch faces in the app. My favorite, I guess, is this one because I can see all the information here, right? But anyway, swipe down, you get notifications. Swipe up, you see all the app lists here. I will test some of them a little bit later, so stay tuned. Especially that 3D, muscle relaxation, those things. You can even control your camera, with it. That's actually really good when you do a family photo settings. Let's check out display brightness. So you can choose auto or you can customize. Auto lock, I just set to 6 seconds because I don't want to, just black out next quickly. Sound vibration, intense, standard, strong. You can even set that. Manage max battery, workout settings, auto detect. When you are in some exercise, it will auto detect which exercise you're in. You swipe right, you get all these shortcuts. Find your phone. Let me just search. Okay, that's actually very convenient. Torch, which to wake your band. Settings, Or and you swap left. That's the overall view data of your exercise, the heart rate. That's it. Okay, you can even measure it right away. And that's it. That's the gesture control. It seems like it has simplified it a little bit. Now let me just test some of the features for you. And now let me just wear for you. Let it go through. Clip in. Strap on. The strap is really long. Alright, that's it. That is how it looks when I'm wearing it. Alright, you can even use this Band 10 Pro as an independent voice recorder. Hello, testing. And then you can save it, sync to your phone. Sync and to your phone, and then you can find the file in the phone app. This is freestyle, okay. File creates, and we can go. I just burned 7 calories. Alright, so out of all the functions, the biggest upgrade is definitely the health monitoring. It upgrades to the 4-light dual PD high precision sensor for more accurate heart rate and SpO2 tracking. The biggest highlight here is our new sleep HRV monitoring. So it analyzes your HRV data, body fatigue, and the recovery quality every single night. This is basically smartwatch level health tracking. It also supports 5 ATM water resistance and over 150 workout modes. Another huge upgrade is the built-in independent GPS and bezel positioning. So you can go running or cycling without your phone and record precise auto tracks directly on the band. Something like the old Band 8 or 9 cannot do. And battery life is still fantastic up to 21 days of standard use. It keeps magnetic fast charging, Bluetooth calling, NFC payment, and has new proactive gaming mode. Alright, so that is my quick hands-on of the Xiaomi Band 10 Pro. I'm really impressed with its premium slim build and all the new interesting features added to this band, especially like the upgraded health monitoring such as sleep HRV tracking. Even though I haven't slept with it yet and don't have real world results, this function really interests me. As a full-time YouTuber, I'm planning to get one for my daily use to replace my old Xiaomi Band 8. Alright, that's the video. What do you think about the Mi Band 10 Pro? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.